Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to reboot your iPhone. It's super easy and it can fix a lot of issues like lagging or apps crashing. Let's jump right in. First, pick up your iPhone and make sure it's unlocked. Now, depending on the model of your iPhone, the steps to reboot may be a little different. If you have an iPhone 8 or earlier, just press and hold the power button on the right side of your phone until you see the slide to power off slider, like this. Once you see the slider, just swipe it right and turn your phone off. Now to reboot, wait about 10 seconds and then press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. And boom, your iPhone is rebooted. If you have an iPhone X or later, the process is slightly different. You'll press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons until the slide to power off slider shows up. Then just slide it to turn it off and repeat the same steps to reboot. That's all there's to it. A quick reboot can solve a ton of issues. Whether it's app crashes or your phone just acting like a little slow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and ring the bell for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one.